Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
Eurovision Song Contest 2025 first semi-final, Ukraine.
how are they adding this genius effect?
Yeah, that
It's
camera
so
filter
cool.
makes them look like ghosts. Like, you know how. Although cool, and to see something different, I hope they drop it, because if I have to watch this for 3 minutes,
I feel like I need to rub my eyes.
yeah, I do not want to see this for 3 minutes. They need to drop this. Like, it's a nice intro, but
The way he sings is so sincere. It's so sincere. Wow. Looks like his concert. Like, wow.
yeah,
I love
he's
the effects. It's so dreamy.
very different from the Nationals performance. But it's a standout performance. Yeah, it's a lot going on.
Ooh. I love the confidence. Wow. It's beaming of confidence. They look
Singing is good too. He sings great live. Yeah, there's no issues with the vocals.
wow. Wow. Oh, oh, oh. I already know.
The effects are cool.
This is
There's a
lovely.
lot of going on. Yeah, very
Well rehearsed.
in,
Especially coming
in
from Spain.
in terms of presentation. Let me peek at the list real quick.
Sweetie, that's a 10.
It's the
This
best
one look it's
presentation
a
of the
10.
night so far.
That's
It's
a
the best.
10.
It's not a 10 for me because I don't
It's a
like the
10.
song, but the presentation is the best presentation of the night.
Very beautiful. I feel like I was watching like an iconic group.
Thank you so much.
Iconic group on Blu-ray.
It's I'm gonna give it a 9.
High production. That looked like high production. That
Yeah, no, everything,
Ooh.
the presentation, performance, as I said, probably the best of the night so far. I did not like the song, so I cannot give it a 10 for that
I
reason.
love the song.
But yeah, the performance was really good.
So what would you give it?
9.
A 9? Okay, work. Guys, of course.
What about you? You
Oh,
said
I
10?
said 10. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
I was solid. I was sold.
Okay.
Guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord, and always, share as much kindness as possible. Good luck, Ukraine.